Chanel here, your menopause nutritionist. As promised, I am giving you all of the information, all of the details you need to make the decision about whether my Thrive program is right for you. Now, I have had a few questions through the week and I thought I would just address them here so they're all in one place, because obviously if someone else is thinking them, maybe you are too, and we can clear up whether this is going to hold you back or it's going to launch you into the results that you are wanting. And of course, I already have like so many women signed up. It is already, the group's open, the app is pumping off, the meal plans went in today. Like, it's so exciting to see. This is the thing, women together, we support each other, we inspire each other. It comes back to that 65% more likely to achieve whatever you put your heart's desire to, because we're together, because we actually rise by being around other people. We're human beings, we need connection. So already it's exciting to me, but we do officially start in 3 days. So you've got until Sunday midnight to make your decision, because on Monday we kick off. And it's going to be great. This is the chance to make 2026 different. If you have 5 or 10 kilos to lose, if you want to build muscle, if you want to get stronger, if you want to feel your best, get your energy restored, get your sleep sorted out, your mood, focus, get rid of the brain fog, whatever it is that is going on for you. Maybe it's emotional eating that's holding you back. We've got a whole emotional eating module now. Mindset module. All of this stuff is so important for you getting your success. Okay, let's deal with some of these questions. The first one actually came off the bat of a live I did through the week, because if you follow me on social media, you'll see I committed to go live every day, just sharing information, answering questions for you. So it's been pretty random, like after a sauna and getting ready for like my training and whatever. But like, I think that's kind of cool because you see me in reality. So, and I hope that I try and be as natural and real as possible. So hopefully you find that relatable. I'm not trying to be someone I'm not. Like, you'll never see me like caked with makeup, or that's just not who I am. No offense to anyone that's into that. That's just not me. So hopefully if we run into each other on the street, or you do my program and we actually meet in person, that I'm exactly the same as who you're listening to and seeing right now, if you're seeing the video version of this. Okay, so this first question came off the bat of one of those lives I was talking about, and I was talking about how if you want that sculpty, toned look, like most people that are joining the program actually do want to lose 5 or 10 kilos. They've got fat loss goals, or maybe more weight. That's fine if it's more than that. Some people do want to lose more than that, completely fine. That there is absolutely, like, if you're losing body fat and you don't have muscle underneath that, you're not going to reveal anything. So if you're looking for that sculpty, toned look, that's what I strive for, because one, muscle to me is super important. It is the organ of longevity. That, like, I want to live till I'm 100, so that means the more muscle I have in my body, the more chance I have of doing that. Like, obviously the what I can control. So muscle is super important to me. So I like that, like, super sculpty, strong look. Like, when I see anyone that's super skinny, that is just like a turn off to me. Like, it is just, I never want to be like that. When I found out, when I had my injury, that I couldn't exercise, it was devastating to me, because I know how important it is. Anyway, I digress. So someone asked me when I spoke about that, like, you need muscle to reveal. She said, well, what do I do first? Do I build muscle first before I lose body fat? Now, you can do it at the same time. It's called re-body composition. And I did that myself last year, not quite a year ago, like it was 10 months ago. where you are building muscle and losing body fat at the same time. So there's often, when we're looking at fat loss or building muscle, they're actually two completely different processes in the body. You can do both at the same time. You have to understand there's a lot going on, and often the results, so one or the other, takes a bit longer. So you have to be more patient about the process. Two reasons, like building muscle is not a quick fix. So whenever women think that they are going to like blow up like Arnold Schwarzenegger because they start lifting weights, I just wish it was easier than it is. It is hard work. And any of you who follow my social media, you'll see me, I'm in there. Like I lift at least 4 days a week, and like serious stuff. Like I am not messing around. And it's hard. Like I'm not huge, right? I'm like, I like to think I'm strong, but I'm not like, you know, I'm certainly not Arnold Schwarzenegger. So that's the first thing. I think I personally tackle it at the same time and have the plan for that. Of course, that's what the program is designed for. Okay, next question I got asked last night was about traveling. This person is going to be away for a week or 2 weeks, and she was like, I'm going to be away for a couple of weeks. Is it worth signing up, or do I just wait till you do another one? Here's my views. Firstly, I personally, this is me, I'm never going to wait. I'm like, get started. The best time to start, last year. Next time, best time to start, right now. Like, don't put it off. Like, don't wait. What are we waiting for? Like, I promise you there is no perfect time to change your body composition, enter a fat loss journey, you know, start building muscle. Like, there's no perfect time. Life will throw things in your way, and this is exactly why joining my program will set you up for success, because you've got other people to help you stay inspired, motivated, on track, have accountability. Something will happen, I promise you, over the 6 weeks, whether it's like you get sick or you have a life event or something happens at work or something in your family. Something will happen. And so if we're always waiting for it to be a perfect time, you will be waiting for the rest of your life. And I promise you, you'll never get your results. So don't wait because you're going away. I'm actually going away. I'm going to be away for nearly 3 weeks, and I'm going to show you in that time. I'm going to still be running the program. We're going to be doing our calls from Japan. I'm going to be showing you how I eat. The whole purpose of my program is for you to build a lifestyle where you're not pushing the stop button because you're going on holiday. You're still doing the things. And if you follow along, you'll see me do that when I'm away. So I said to her, absolutely join the program. You can do it wherever you want. Like, it is on an app on your phone. Like, you could be anywhere in the world. As long as you've got connection, you can join us and stay motivated and learn. So this is really common in this stage because, like, I'm 52, we have more time. We've got more time to go traveling. Don't let that hold you back. Like, let it be more of a reason that you need to know what you need to do when you're traveling. The next question is about food sensitivities or intolerances, or I do have a friend who joined, she's vegetarian, and actually I'm putting a whole kind of info pack together for the vegans and vegetarians, or even pescatarians. So you've got options like for swapping out your protein. This is designed for everyone. I personally do not eat eggs. I'm dairy free. So I am the queen of, you know, adjusting recipes and most of the recipes, just about all of them can be adaptable. They can be gluten free. They can be, you know, dairy free, egg free, like, obviously, because that's what I am. So don't let that stop you either, because you have to learn to manage that in real life. It's just the truth. Like, if you don't learn to manage your food, you will never learn to manage it. So if you're vegetarian or if you can't eat eggs, let's learn how to manage that and hit our goals at the same time. Another question I get asked a lot and I need to just talk about this more, is that do I have to cook separate food for my family? Absolutely not. Like, I am a mum of 3, so I know how hectic, like, preparing food for the family is. We meal prep our breakfasts and lunches at the start of the week to set ourselves up for success. Now, the amount of times people come into the chat and go, my daughter just took my breakfast because now she wants it. Like, this is the flow and effect. Your family will actually get the benefits of this program, and the food tastes great, so just be prepared for them to steal it. It's annoying but helpful because they're healthier. You need to get your kids helping you meal prep because this will happen, I promise you. The meals for dinner are actually designed for families, so they're usually to feed 4. If you have a larger family, then just maybe times it by 1.5. So you are all eating the same dinner. So then your partner or your family all get the benefits of eating high protein, healthy food that prioritizes fiber and nutrients. It's a blessing. I can't tell you how many husbands have like lost weight, got healthier because they've done it because their wife's doing it too. So you've got a real opportunity here, not only to get your own goals, but actually to impact your whole family. It's really quite powerful. Okay, someone else asked me this week, do I need to buy anything else? Do I need to buy bars? Do I need to buy protein powder? Do I need to buy supplements? Do I have to buy extra stuff? This is completely up to you. So I give you some discount codes for products I love. I only work with products that I truly love. So I'm very picky. Fiber protein powder is my favorite. I obviously have a code for them. FODBODs are my favorite protein bars. I have a code for them. This is actually like, these are products I consume every day. Topeka, I use their matcha every day. You know, so I'm very, I don't partner with that many companies. They're actually the ones that I use. You can do what you like it is up to you. We're going to do a whole module on supplements because it is really helpful in this stage of life. There are certain supplements that can very much enhance your energy, mood, focus, sleep, and I have like a list of non-negotiables. I will tell you, obviously, and share those with you, and the reasons why. But honestly, it's up to you. You are a grown adult. There is no one telling you what you have to do. I'm just giving you best practices based on education and personal experience, like what I use. So those are the ones that have kind of come down the pipeline this week. There are more. If you would like to see all the frequently asked questions, I have kind of addressed them over the years, so I can send them to you. If you are still on the fence, but you've been tuning in this week and you have been listening, maybe you did the fat loss webinar, you've know that now there's about 9 things that you need to address to get your fat loss goals. You've got 5 or 10 kilos to lose. You're not feeling your absolute best. Your energy could be better. Maybe you just want to learn. Today, I just shared with the ladies, we have a book club on the program. So this is for anyone that wants to dive in a little bit deeper. We have a book that we read together and we dive into that just from an education point of view. There are guest speakers that come on the call that will help you just actually double down on learning even more. It just really is comprehensive. You'll learn a lot. So if you're on the fence, hopefully this might have cleared some of those up for you. And I'm just going to leave you with this, right? I know how awesome the program is. I put absolutely my all into it. So you get 110% from me every time. And that is why it's so successful. And I have got a number of video testimonies of people sharing their stories. So if you would like any of them, there's a lot, so I can send you some. Oh, actually, I probably should address this quickly. If you are located anywhere in the world, you can join. So I have 2 different calls a week that will get your time zone pretty much. And of course all the calls are recorded. So I have people from Canada, I have people from America, I've got people in the UK, South Africa, New Zealand, obviously Australia. You know, like, it doesn't matter where you're located. If you're listening to this, you can jump on board and get the benefits, and I cannot wait to help you. And I'll leave you with this: nothing changes unless something changes, and this is the change that could change everything for you this year. Is 2026 going to look different? Ask yourself that. And if you need help with your goals and making it happen, then this is the vehicle that can help you do it. So I cannot wait to do that with you when you take the step forward. And listen, if you are listening to this and you're like, I know I need to do this, feeling scared and nervous is a completely normal emotion when we are going to put ourselves on the hook, because that's what you're doing. You're actually putting yourself on the hook to get success. And usually the reason we don't do that is because we're afraid of failing ourselves. We've tried before and it hasn't worked. So it's a scary concept to go, right, I'm actually going to commit to this. So I understand how you're feeling. You need to feel that and step forward, because nothing will change if you don't step through it. You will be stuck in the same place in 12 weeks from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 12 months from now, with nothing will have changed. So I promise you that feeling that you have is you getting ready to actually become the best version of yourself, and it's exciting. So feel it and let's go. So thank you for being here. If you have any more questions, please just reply here and I'll answer them for you. If you need the link to sign up, then just comment Thrive. I'll send it your way. I also have a comprehensive list of everything that's included in the program. If you would like that, just comment list and I'll send it your way. And I'm super pumped. I cannot wait to link arms with you and make this happen, make 2026 different. If there's anything else you would like to add, please do. Otherwise, thanks for being here and have the best day.